everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a lot of fun because we're bringing it back to the roots of this channel, kind of where it all began. I thought it'd be a lot of fun to share some easy, trendy hairstyles that are very cute for summer. They'd be great for vacation or maybe just hanging out by the pool. Of these 3 hairstyles, don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram if you'd like some more hair inspo. Okay, get your elastics ready and let's get started. To prep, I curled all of my hair with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. And then I applied some dry shampoo all over my hair to give it some more volume and hold. Then I used a little bit of texture powder, working it into my curls to help separate them and add more texture. All right, first step is a half-up braided hairstyle, and this one might be the most difficult of the 3. So we're going to be braiding the top section of our hair, but first I clipped a 2-clip weft to itself. Now I told you we're throwing it back, but this will help create a more full braid, you'll see. All right, gather about a 1-inch section of hair right at the front of the top of your head and section it off. Now, if you're clipping in extensions, just flip this section forward and clip your weft right underneath. Now, with that front section, divide it into 3 equal pieces. And we're going to create a Dutch braid. Now, cross the outside right piece underneath your middle piece, and then cross your outside left piece underneath your middle piece. Now, this will create the base. To Dutch braid, it's the same pattern, except you're adding 1-inch sections of hair from the top section of your head into your outside pieces. So gather a 1-inch section and join it into your right piece before crossing it underneath that middle piece. And then repeat on the left side, adding hair into your left piece before crossing it underneath the middle. So continue Dutch braiding all of the hair at the top of your head, and don't worry about being too particular because an undone and effortless look is the way to go for summer. Oh, and you could also create a French braid, a fishtail braid, any type of braid really. So once you've braided all of the hair at the top of your head, just clip off your ends and secure them for now. Next, gently pinch the outside of each part of the braid and just give it a little pull. This is my favorite part because it just completely transforms the whole look and it really helps your braid stand out. Plus, this will help hide the extension. Once you're happy with it, secure the bottom of your braid with a hair elastic. Now, combining braids plus twists give a fun, summery look to the hairstyle, so gather all of the hair above your ears on both sides of your head. Now, leave down some hair to frame your face and enough to cover your ears. This will give the look a more boho, summery appearance. Then twist your 2 outside sections away from your face and then gently pull on the twists to loosen them, and this will also add some more detail. Now secure your 2 sections and your braid together with an elastic, and on your last loop, only pull your hair halfway through to create a bun. Pinch and pull on your bun. This will loosen it up and give it that lived-in look. Now to finish off the hairstyle, grab a small piece of hair and just wrap it around your hair elastic and secure it to the underside with a bobby pin. Okay, how fun is this hairstyle for summer? You could also accessorize it with a cool scrunchie, a scarf, or even some hair clips to make it even more unique. Next is a fun bubble braid, and this is much easier than the last one. So first, gather all of the hair at the top of your head and secure it with a hair elastic. Next, pinch and pull on all of the hair around your crown to create that effortless appearance and add some more volume. Next, on the left side, gather all of the hair that's just below your temples and leave enough hair down to cover your ears. And then repeat on the right side. Then gather your 2 sections and the ponytail that we created earlier and join them all together. And then secure them tightly with a hair elastic. Now, gently pull on the sides of that middle section to create the bubble. And be sure to pull on all sides, the front and the back, to give it that nice full look. Next, loosely gather all of the hair above your ears, leaving out any small pieces to frame your face. And then same as before, secure your 2 side sections and your ponytail all together. Once secure, begin pulling on the middle section to create another bubble. Now, my bubble was a little smaller than I wanted, so if this happens to you, just place your fingers above the lower elastic and pull outwards on both sides, and this will slide it down a little bit. And to help add more fullness to my hair, I clipped 2 4-clip wefts together, and I flipped the clips upside down and I clipped them to the underside of my hair. I just love how soft and effortless this hairstyle is. I think it's the perfect hairstyle for any summer get-together. It's so cool. And lastly, my personal favorite, the topsy tail low pony. I wanted to create a very full ponytail, so I clipped together 2 4-clip wefts and I placed them at about ear height. Alright, begin by loosely gathering all of your hair into a low ponytail right at the nape of your neck. And be sure to leave out some small pieces to frame your face. Now, I felt quite brave using such a small hair elastic to hold all of my hair, but it surprisingly held all day long. Alright, next, you guessed it, pinch and pull on small sections to add more texture and volume. Next, place another hair elastic about 4 finger widths down. It depends on the length of your ponytail, but you might want to make yours closer. Once secure, use your index fingers and thumbs to create a hole in the middle of that section that we just created in between those 2 elastics. Now, once you have your hole, flip your ponytail upwards and then pull it all the way through the hole, just like a topsy tail. Now, the fun part, pinch and pull on the outside of your topsy tail to fan it out, add more texture. I just love how this step completely transforms the look. It looks so cool. Now, make sure you're pinching and pulling on all sides and the top and the bottom. I really loved this ponytail with just 1 topsy loop, but I thought it'd be fun to add some more. So if you'd like to add some more, just place another elastic about 4 finger widths down and then create a hole in the middle of that new section. Once you have your hole, flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through. And same as before, pull on the outsides to create that volume and really make this ponytail pop. And then I couldn't resist, I added 1 more topsy tail at the very bottom. Okay, how cute. I love it so much, and this hairstyle would pair perfectly with a summer hat. So there we have it. How cute are these hairstyles? Definitely leave a comment and let me know if you have a favorite. Now, if I had to pick, I'm definitely gonna go with this topsy tail ponytail, especially pulled over the shoulder. I'm attending a summer wedding in a couple of weeks, and I think that this is going to be the perfect hairstyle. It just looks so beautiful. And as always, I will post pictures of the final looks of all of these hairstyles over on my Instagram. It will be linked down below, so be sure to follow. And I'd also love to know what you thought of these types of hairstyles. It's been so long since I filmed a hair tutorial like this, and I forgot how much I love these hairstyles. I have a bunch of different ideas that I can share if you'd like, so please let me know what you thought. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click like if you liked today's video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.